what's this? The net end portal where it lies in the what do you call that? What do you call it? Stronghold? Yeah, stronghold. And we see here, it's taking so long because I don't know. Maybe my internet is the problem. I have the problem with my internet. Oh, here. Hi. I just emerged from the. Oh. Hi. Okay, I lost. Okay. Yes, I'm okay. Yes, I'm okay. Wait, why am I using this? I use this. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe. So, what the heck? So I read here. Maybe you're gone already. How dare you? Hey, sleep. I also follow to sleep. Faster, or else I'm going to shut people out. No kidding. Okay, so I thank God I don't lose them. um, okay. Maybe I put my here. My totem of undying on my left hand. I have two totem dying. Sa kataday ka mo sa hagdan, bite. Taran? Screenshot ko. Okay, screenshot me, screenshot me. Where am I screenshotting? Hey, first person. Ow! Who did that? How dare you? Who did that? Who hit me? Oh, who hit me? Who hit me? How dare you? Who paints me? Who paints? Who paints me? Is it? Who paints me? Hi. Who paints me? Okay, so maybe he has actually. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. Just ignore the person. I don't care. I don't care about you. You just. Okay. Open! Open Sesame! What are you waiting for? Open Sesame. Picture ka mo. Don't need to picture. It's just for all of us. Where where's this? Sherwin here? I think we're in five. So I'm a third person. Mark. No, don't do that to Mark. Mark is innocent. Who paints me? Who paints me? Who paints me? Oh, where are we? Oh, wait, right here. Hi, Char. Away sa dalo mo ko. Sorry. Where am I? Fine, dala ko sa babaw. Char. Wait. I know where it is. Now, Okay, are we five people now? Look. Hi, here. Take a selfie. I'm screenshotting the wall. I don't know why. Okay. It's your fault. You just let me in here. Okay, who's next? Thanks. Is it done already? Ox na. Are you serious? How dare you? It's not ox. Ox na all burning. What the heck? I'm not burning as well. Who's burning? Who's burning? Oh, is this burning? What? Ready to die? No, I'm not. Wait, do you have ano? I don't get the glass, but I have cobblestone, water. Don't worry, you will. Hi, I'm here. So, we're ready? Who's ready? Okay, maybe some people just excited. Di pa? I did nothing. Well, just kidding. Oh, we're prepared? Okay. Hey, who has water? Ooh, who's water? Hey, extra bucket, please. Water bucket, please. Fine, let's fight, whatever. Hey, it's just, hey, you have to, it will just gain its, oh my gosh, how am I supposed to do this? Fine, whatever, I'm just do this. Just do what you want, you guys. I am going to here. Ooh. Okay, I feel quite hot. Okay, here. Oh, am I here right now? Okay. Ooh. I'm free. Sure. I think I need a pearl because if I don't have pearl, do you have water? Who's water? So may water. So may water. So may water. Water bucket, please. Oh, there's no Enderman? Oh no. How can we pass? Maybe Mauler will just help me though. Hey, you have to ruin the ano for ow! Ender Dragon, what the heck? You have to ruin this. Who's gonna ruin this? No one will ruin this? Okay. Just do whatever you want. You want just fight it. Let's fight it. Whatever. I think we're gonna sorry. Okay, wait. Oh, I'm so sorry. Ow. Okay, so if you feel burned, you guys, you have to run. Okay, that's what Mollet taught me when he was in Nether, last grade 10. Last grade. Ow! Where is my? Okay, open. Open. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's one more crystal? Oh, okay. There's one last crystal. And I can't reach it. Ow. Who's bad? Who has bad? Who's bad? I am going to fall. What the heck? Ooh. Ow. Okay. Yay! It's done! Yay! That's so fast. No need. No, you just have no need to ruin the crystals. They're just so lazy going upward. Hey, don't jump there. We're going to Ed City. Ngayo, Pearl, please. Pwede ngayo, Pearl. Please. Do you have Pearl? Like, no, I mean, Ender. What's that? Oh, this is the egg, you guys. We and now, yay! I am the one who balik lang ko. Okay, that was fast. Hey, can you oh, hey! Okay, let me in here. Okay, it just put. Where's yes, yes. Pwede nga yung Pearl. Where's my oh, here? Hi, Molly. Oh, okay. I thought there was an NCT. That? I thought there were shulkers. Okay. Uh, that was fast. That was so fast because it's actually fast. So, there you guys. I don't. Oh, wait. Okay. Maybe sa sunod, like in the next time here. Who rich in here? Who's that name? They were out. They're already here, and there were it's just near the entrance, and they know already. Hi, orange. Thank you uli ko tani. The signal. Okay, so I think they're just I don't know. They're just conversing. They're just talking. What are you trying to talk? So they already avenged the NCT sa Kyron portal na Mart. Hey, wait. Oh, there's water. I thought I thought there were many Enderman right here. So should we do go here? Okay. Should we remain? No, no, I didn't. I ruined that. I'm so sorry. I did that one. Yeah. So I lost. I lost. So here there where's smaller? I'm trying to find smaller. Oh, maybe they're left. Oh, they here. Okay, so I think I'm ready to binge the Lujak Overworld. You can come back here anytime. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Thank you, Lud. Okay, I want to go to the credits. It would be my first time. I think this is my first time going in Nether in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh wait, but the other, yeah, in only in survival world, and it's in server. But I never end my Minecraft with by myself on my own. So don't worry, I'll make myself on my own as well. Okay, is see the player. Jubilee Music 45? Yes, take care. It has reached a high level now. It can read all your thoughts. Okay, I think you already know, guys,